If your 2014-2018 Toyota RAV4 key fob battery dies, don't panic. Each key fob contains a mechanical backup key. Locate the small release button or latch on your key fob to detach the physical key. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Simply insert the key into the door lock and turn. For the trunk, use the mechanical key on the rear hatch lock. This method bypasses the dead battery and allows you to regain access to your RAV4. Remember to test your key fob battery regularly to prevent unexpected issues. Once inside your RAV4, a dead key fob battery won't prevent starting the engine. The vehicle has a passive system that allows the engine to start even with a depleted fob battery. Enter the vehicle, press the brake pedal firmly. Then hold the key fob close to the start button. Within 1 to 2 feet is ideal. The vehicle should recognize the fob's presence and allow you to start the engine by pressing the start button while continuing to hold the brake. If the vehicle does not start, consult your owner's manual for the exact location of the proximity sensor, which may vary slightly. Remember to replace your key fob battery, CR2032 type, soon to restore full keyless functionality.